If you cannot charge your Samsung Galaxy A17 to 100%, then here's what you need to do in order to solve this issue. First of all, we need to go to settings, and we're gonna scroll down a little bit and open battery settings. In here, you should be able to find battery protection, so let's go ahead and open it. And this might be the reason why you cannot charge to 100%, the maximum battery protection, which can be set to 80, 85, 90, or 95%. So if this option is enabled, you can only charge to the selected percentage. And there is also adaptive battery protection, which can also be, and the reason why you cannot charge to 100%, because it allows you to usually charge to 80%, but the intention is that it should be only to 80% while you are asleep. So if you are charging your phone at night, and then it should switch to the basic battery protection whenever you are about to wake up. And of course, basic battery protection also can limit your charging specifically to 95%, but it doesn't really limit it. What it does is when you charge your battery to 100%, and then it stops charging until the battery reaches 95%. And when it does reach 95% again, it starts charging again to reach 100% again. So most likely you want to, if you use maximum battery protection, you might want to switch to adaptive in order to see if that helps, or you can just switch to basic. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe.